Next lecture now is how to clear your browser cache memory for any time you are done with your survey or registration for anything online. So what do? You swipe down your screen from up to down again, go to your phone settings, follow my click, scroll down to where you have your app management and see where my app management is. Click on it. Hope you are following. Now you go to where you can see app list, screen time, default apps, app updates. So where you're going to is app list. So you click on app list. App list is what where we are going to. I'm going to do it in two ways. Now, if it's not a browser, if it's an app on its own, maybe for example, you want to create a cache memory for, let me say, this is my bank app, Alert. I click on it. Then you go to where we have storage and cache. Now, before you go to storage, you can see the first one is notifications, the second one is permissions, and the third one is storage and cache. So when you click on storage and cache, it brings you to this page where you see app size, user data, cache, and total. Now in my cache, I'm having 0 bytes. In my user data, I'm having 17.17 megabytes. On my app size, I'm having 159 megabytes. And the total of all these things is 176 megabytes. Now, for me to clear the cache, you can see under it, you can see clear storage and clear cache. So what do? You click on clear storage, for example. So if you click on clear storage, you can see what is the pop-up here now. It's saying delete app data. This app data will be permanently deleted. Deleted. This indicates files, settings, databases, and other app data. So once I click OK, it will automatically wipe all the informations, everything I have set on that my alert app, being my password, be my login, my email, anything I have set on it, everything will wipe out. So if I am to open this app again, I need to start afresh. So because I'm not doing that, I cancel it. I go back. Now you will repeat the same process for any app you want to clear the cache. Now the cache memory clearing is in two ways. You can clear permanently or you can clear partially. Now what I did now on my alert app is permanent clearing. So that will wipe away everything on the alert app. But if you want to clear partially, let's say for example, let me go to one of my browsers and let me go to browser. Let me use a browser to because in this lecture we are talking about browser. So I'm going to DuckDuck browser, which is DuckDuckGo. You can see it here. I click on it. I go to what storage and cache. I click on it. Now on my cache under this list of app list, data, user data, cache, and total. In my cache, I'm having about 22.45 megabytes cache memory saved. So if I want to do partial clearing of cache, I come under here, you can see clear storage and clear cache. So if I click on clear cache, if I, if I click on clear cache, it has cleared. You can see now the cache now is now on 0 bytes. Are you with me? But that is partial clearing. So it means that if I still log into this doctor, I will still be able to have access to some information that I've used before. Are you with me? It's not advisable. If you are doing survey on any browser, it is advisable that you clear cache permanently. So there is no any trace of anything you have done on that browser. So you come to what? Clear storage. The same information. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases, and other app data. So I will click what on OK. And that automatically what has wiped every information that I'm having on this browser called DuckDuckGo. Now if you check the user data, it's on 0 bytes. If you check the cache data, is on 0 bytes. Now if you check the app size, now the original app size for this app is what is 108 MB. You can see the total under here 108 MB. So it means that it's as new. So that is done. So that is how to clear your cache on your browser. Hope this is clear. Now that's number one uh, procedure to clear browser cache. I've done browser cache, and I also have done one of the app on my phone cache clearing. So now I want to show you how to go directly to the browser which you want to clear the cache. So we go back to settings by swiping down your phone screen. Back to settings on your phone. Scroll to where you have app management. Are you with me? You go what you see app list, you see screen time, you see default apps. Are you with me? So we are going to do what you can do it this way. You can either search for the app you're looking for to give you access immediately by going back. You can see here search settings. So you can type in what you're looking for. Just put in your type in place your cursor on that search button and type in, let's say, Kiwi. I want to look for the app called Kiwi. Okay, it's not come out. Let me type it in. Kiwi. Now that's come out. And you can see the browser. And you click on it. So once you click on it, you scroll to where you have storage and cache. Click on it. Now in the cache of Kiwi's browser, which I used previously, I'm having 23.38 megabytes on the cache browser. So what do? If I decide to do partial clearing, it depends on what I was doing on the browser. If I was doing a personal thing, I may just do partial clearing. Please note, if you are doing anything personal, like if your default browser is Chrome and you have been using it previously for now, before you start this survey, you can decide not to clear permanent cache. You just cache up cache clearing so that it does not wipe away all the settings that you must have done in the years past, which you have saved on your browser, unless you have saved those things, you have write those things down, all this information down on your Jota or your whatever, for you to get back the access to using the Chrome. But if you have not done that and it's your Chrome that is access all those information for you, it's advisable that you don't do permanent clearing for your default apps which you have used before now, before you came into the survey business. So you can do partial clearing. But this lecture now is for the purpose of if you have opened any browser, any new browser that was recommended to you, like the Kiwi browser, like the Firefox. Now, if you are running surveys on any of these browsers, every blessed day that you have logged out and you are no more, you are done with your browser, your survey for the day, and endeavor to clear cache memory. So now we are in the Kiwi browser, which I am on right now. I go to clear storage. I'm not doing clear cache because I want to clear everything that's on Kiwi browser. So I click on clear storage. So now it shows me this. So you have free up space, and you have manage, and we have clear all data. So I'll click on clear all data. The same instruction shows. It will pop up to tell you that do you really want to do this? So you click on OK. So immediately you do that, everything that you have in your Kiwi browser. Oh, this is not effect. Okay, let's repeat it. Let's repeat it again. Is as it that's affected. Go back. So if it shows as if that's not affected, what you just go back and come back again to be sure that it's cleared. Okay, it's like it's not apparently it's not that's not affected fully. So let us do clear cache first, and let us repeat that process. So with that process, clear all data. Okay, now everything is gone. Are you with me? So you go back. That is done. Simple ABC. Thank you.